If you are trying to download the file which was generated by ChatGPT and you end up receiving this error which say failed to get uploaded status, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this error. Now, what caused this error? This error is caused by the following reason. The error message failed to get uploaded status means that ChatGPT was unable to properly generate or provide a downloadable link for the file. This can happen due to several reasons. Now, the first reason can be temporary server issue. The system might have failed to finalize the file upload, making the link unusable, or it can be due to network connection problem. If your internet connection was unstable at the moment the file was generated, it might not have uploaded correctly. Also, it can be due to expired or broken link. In some cases, the links can become temporarily unavailable due to session timeouts. Now, how do you fix this issue? Listen to this very carefully. Now, the first step you need to try is refresh the page. Sometimes reloading the chat fixes broken download links. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, switching to another browser might help. Also, check your internet connection. A weak connection could cause download failures, so make sure you have a good internet connection. Now, if it fails, ask ChatGPT to generate the file for you. If the link is broken, ChatGPT can create a file for you again. So just ask ChatGPT to generate the file for you again. If the link is broken, ChatGPT can create a new file for you. If it fails and you follow all the instructions correctly but you're still facing again the same issue, now wait for a few hours and try again later. Since OpenAI servers may be down, they do have a website to check their server status, which is called status.openai.com. If you click on this link, you may see their servers are down. Just wait for a few hours until the issue will resolve by itself. So this is the best fix for this problem which say ChatGPT failed to get uploaded status. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you.